We've got all the components for our chassis now. We got it all set up at Modern Racing on one of our tables. Tonight, we need to get all our panels off this thing. So we're just gonna strip this down and see what we have to work with. Poor little lawnmower.
So we have all our panels now removed from the lawnmower. This is truly the only reason I bought it. It was not to mow grass, it was to cut it apart. So now we're gonna take this all over to Modern. We're gonna get rolling on the chassis because these things need to live on a little tube chassis. So let's get to it.
We've got our main parts of our chassis laid out here. We got everything squared up. We're getting ready to figure out where we're gonna put the motor on this thing. Got everything stripped down last night. We got all our body panels laying around here. So we're just kind of getting everything mocked up now, trying to figure out where everything's gonna go. And hopefully soon we're gonna start running our frame rails for this thing. A little bit of creativity and a lot of sketchiness to beat pretty far.
All right, so chassis is coming along very great. We got 2 rails now in the back, and the front is almost to the point where it could be a roller. We got one more point up on both sides that need to be attached with tubes to get that to not wobble all over the place. Back here, we got Guido. He's reinforcing his second rail, and he's adding mounts for the seat because we want to sit in this thing today. And we also want it to roll. So those are our 2 goals for today, is seat in it so we can sit in it and look cool, and make it roll so it can be cool. Okay, because we were constantly busy and didn't have a chance to like stop. This video is really low on talking, so let me explain a little bit about the lawnmower. So the entire chassis is a 1 to 1 1/8 inch chromoly. Everything is, and it's completely TIG welded, so it's kind of like a little pro mod. That's kind of how we're treating it. So the front end's all basically done except for the fact that it has no steering rack. Alignment's already done on it except for toe, obviously, because there's no steering rack. So the chassis is going to get a lot more gussets and actually just more tubes in general because it's a little bit flexy in the middle and we need some more like tubing there just to keep it from bouncing and flexing and just things you don't want to happen at 160 miles per hour. Subscribe for more because this thing is only going to get more wild from here on out.
Shout out to Justin Elks at Modern Racing for letting us use the shop, even though he may not have known we were going to.
Or happy about it.
Or happy about it. He let us do it anyway.
Just do it! Just do it! Make your dreams come true! Just do it!
Hey Honda, lock it in.